AdBlue. Let's talk about AdBlue. What does it do in your diesel engine? Today I'm here with this C220D so that we can talk about AdBlue. There's a few of you people who asked me the question about AdBlue when I was talking about emissions in one of my videos. So let's talk about AdBlue, what it does in your car, how it works, and also what happens if you don't add AdBlue when your car requires you to add some more AdBlue. So first of all, let's start by defining what AdBlue is. And AdBlue is basically just a solution that is used inside diesel engines to reduce the harmful emissions that come out of the exhaust, specifically nitrogen oxide emissions. Now, how does the AdBlue work to clean up the exhaust that is coming out of your diesel engine? As we all know, diesel engines run much dirtier than petrol engines. So basically what AdBlue does is it is injected into the exhaust system as your car is running, and the heat from the exhaust is able to convert that AdBlue chemical into ammonia, and when that ammonia reacts with nitrogen oxide in your exhaust system, that reaction converts the nitrogen oxide into the harmless nitrogen and water, which is much safer to go out into the atmosphere. So some key things that we need to remember about AdBlue is that it is not a fuel additive. That's why when you come to your car, it is specifically labeled at the back here. You can see that it's labeled AdBlue, and you should never, get AdBlue and accidentally pour it into the diesel side, because then you're going to have some serious problems with your car. Only fill the AdBlue into the AdBlue side, because it is a diesel additive, so it's stored in a separate tank. So when it comes to AdBlue is refilled, I think, in about 10,000 kilometer intervals, and there's a system inside the car that is able to show you whether you need to top up your AdBlue or how much AdBlue is remaining. I'll give you a quick video right now to just show you how you can check if your AdBlue is okay. Right, so I'm inside and I'll now show you how you should check your AdBlue in your car. Obviously this is a 2016 C220D and it will be different in different cars. So for this one, you press home as you're using your navigation buttons here. Press home, then you can scroll down to your service menu. Under service menu, you can see AdBlue right there. Once you check AdBlue, you've got 15,600 kilometers of AdBlue in the tank for this car. So it's very easy for you to check. Obviously when you're driving your car, it will tell you by a show on the display on the dash that you need to add your AdBlue, so you don't always have to check it. It will always warn you, and it will be well before it's an emergency to let you know that you need to top up your AdBlue. But once you top it up, it's normally just about a 5-liter container. It gets you quite a good amount of kilometers before you need to add the AdBlue again, and you're going to know that your car is running efficiently and not producing harmful emissions. So now let's answer the big question of what happens if you don't put AdBlue in your car when your car requires you to put the AdBlue. The first thing that you're going to get is obviously the initial warning lights that you will see on your dashboard to say that you need to add your AdBlue. At that point, your car will still be working just fine. But if you continue to ignore it, then you get things like reduced engine power and performance. You have reduced acceleration, because basically the engine is now going into a mode where it's trying to protect the environment by not allowing you to get the maximum power. So you're going to have limited power, limited performance from your car if you continue to ignore that. You need to refill your AdBlue. You get things like a speed restriction. Some automatic gearboxes will even have problems shifting if you don't address the fact that you need to add some AdBlue, and eventual consequences after that, if you continue again, you end up having a car that won't start completely. You have increased nitrogen dioxide emissions and other issues. So it's always very important that if you have access to AdBlue, make sure that you top it up, especially in modern cars like this 2016 Mercedes-Benz C220D. You have to make sure that your AdBlue is in check so that you're getting the maximum performance from your car. Otherwise, you're going to have issues. Obviously, with the AdBlue system, there is some deletes that can be done to your car. So there are mechanics who can, tap into the computer box of your car, and they're able to remove that system that monitors, you know, the AdBlue system. But obviously that will not be good, because then we're going to be having more emissions coming out of your car and none of that being managed. And if more cars have, you know, an AdBlue delete going, then we've got a lot of nitrogen dioxide in the air, and we get things like acid rain, and also just general problems with the quality of air around us, which can lead to breathing problems and people getting sick of different kinds of diseases and stuff. So it's never the best thing to do an AdBlue delete. Just remember, when your car tells you that you need to add the AdBlue, find yourself a supplier. Normally the dealerships will have AdBlue available, so if you check Mercedes-Benz or whichever car that you have, the dealerships will normally have it, and yeah, you can easily top it up on the blue side there and everything will be good. Great, that was just a quick video about AdBlue. I hope I helped somebody understand how the system works. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section. Very active there. Remember to leave a like and share this video and follow for more content like this.